What's up, y'all? So Marcus from Dixon's Pickings, he listed 5 resellers that he wants to help to motivate to make more content, get more subscribers, and he basically challenged them. So I was one of the 5. So what he did was he stated 5 resellers, and he told you basically what he liked about them and to go and subscribe to them, watch their content, and he challenged them, and I was one of the 5, to list 5 more resellers to challenge to more content and have more people watch their videos. So I'm recommending these 5, and in turn, these 5, I would like y'all to go and recommend 5 people you know that could use a recommendation and that you want to see succeed on YouTube. So here we go.
I figured it'd be a good opportunity to kind of show y'all what I was talking about when I say pay up responsibly. So I got these shoes today, really dope. Need some good cleaning, but really nice pair of shoes. But look how much they're listed for. Look how much they're sold for. $34.99. So $35 they wanted for these shoes, right? So even though it was half off day and I had a 10% coupon, I still looked for other shoes that would cut the cost of these to get me to that $7.31 a pair. Now on a normal day, I would grab these shoes and I would put them in my cart to the end of the trip. During the trip, I would make sure I looked for shoes that would cut the cost of these. So that means I'm looking for ones that are $7.99, $5.99, definitely hitting the kids section for the $2.99, $3.99. So you can pay up for shoes. Don't be afraid to pay up for shoes, but again, do it responsibly. Make sure you're finding other shoes, good shoes, not just anything, other good shoes that offset the price of these so you can still bring them home.
My bad.
No, that's okay. I was looking at the ground for a second for viewers. All right, looks like we got a scanner by Canon.
It is new in the box.
100% new in the box.
Oh.
And this is we got a Canon 2400 by 4000 DPI. This is a nice one too. All right. Lisa's over here with a nice telescope.
The last one we got out of the unit was falling apart. And we ended up...
Hey, so it's Travis Kerr Family Flip Show. Just down here in our eBay cave with Milo, and he's super pumped as always. And then we just packed our orders that are about to go out tomorrow. I think collectively between Camden and I and Ellie, we have, I believe, around 13 items going out tomorrow. So nonetheless, today's episode is going to be really a montage of just some quick trips and visits to thrift stores, maybe a couple yard sales that I really put together that didn't necessarily produce a lot of footage. So if you've never seen this channel before, we're a family of resellers, and we buy things from yard sales, thrift stores, and anywhere that we can buy something low and sell it for a profit on eBay. This channel was designed for people who maybe want to do this for themselves to make some outside income.
Hello everybody, it's me, Giovanni with Finding Treasures. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know what I do already, I am a full-time online reseller and also content creator. And welcome back to my channel.
On all of that, guys. A lot of good stuff that we're going to be able to flip on Amazon and on eBay.
Wastelands through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we found a couple of things. These are $2 here. We're gonna get these.
Clear.
It's personal.
Since nobody's around, I got mine open.
We found one of these Texas Instrument TI-83.
So that's the 5 YouTube channels I decided to share with y'all. I hope y'all subscribe to them. And I hope y'all, 5 YouTubers, go and challenge 5 other people so we keep this challenge going. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to me as well if you like reselling content. And y'all have a good day. Peace out.